Hey guys, I'm back. As you can see, here's what it's snowing a little bit. Snowing a little bit, well, a lot bit, but so I hope this isn't too dark. It's really coming down too. Y'all want to see outside? I'll show you real quick. Oh, see Daisy, you see that? Look at that stuff. Cowboy said it wasn't really gonna snow. Sorry about the steering wheel being in the picture so much. I don't know if that's, I think it's normally how it goes. Anyway, let me take the jacket off. I have the heat on in the car. Oh, Lord. So, some exciting things, okay? And I need you guys to give me some suggestions. I am going to do a special video, a bigger eating video than I normally do, to celebrate over 500 subscribers. And I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys hanging in there with me. I know I haven't been here as much as I want to be, but I'm glad you guys stuck around. So what I have today, and a follower wanted me to do a big Olive Garden mukbang, but Olive Garden's gotten expensive because me and Cowboy went there for dinner. It's Saturday now, Friday evening. The portions are great. I mean, I'm not complaining. Food is delicious, but I can't do a big video, so I'm gonna do a leftover video. Because what he got was that Italian trio. It's the lasagna, chicken parm, and Alfredo, which I'm not sure why he got that. He doesn't like the red sauce, but he liked the chicken parm. I got the chicken Alfredo with broccoli. And ate until I was full. We had a bunch of salad, of course, and breadsticks, which I brought a breadstick, but I forgot it was in my container, and it may be too, oh, it's not. Okay, cool. That's good. Got a couple of napkins. Here we go. Somebody made a comment that they want to see more of the food. It's hard to do that in the car. I'm gonna try. That's good. The first set of them that we had, that Sprite Zero. The first set was just so garlicky and so salty. The breadsticks. And didn't the salad used to come a hard-boiled egg? Or am I tripping? So, here's my little container. So, I took his lasagna because he does not like lasagna. Which, again, I'm not sure why he got it. Because he does not like lasagna. But I took the lasagna and he took the rest of most of the chicken Alfredo. Left me the chicken. He took the noodles and the broccoli. So what I'm left with is some noodles. You guys see that? Some noodles. Ooh. No. We're not gonna do all this mess. Crud. Okay, that's alright. I'm just trying not to. Let me put this back. I'm not trying to get it all over my coat. And the lasagna part. So, see it? So how you guys been? I've just, hope y'all been doing good. Ooh, look at that, it's a grilled chicken. So it's snowing like a crazy person out there. I can't. Let me just. There ain't nobody around. I told Cowboy it was gonna snow, and he's like, "Ah, it's gonna miss us." I just sent him a picture. Mmm. Their food is so good though. I love it. I haven't had. Mmm. Here's that good old lasagna. There we go. That's a little better. Had to clear the window. And this was his idea. He wanted pasta. I was like, okie dokie. We were trying to find like a mom and pop spot by Gettysburg, but that wasn't happening. I mean, the one was just too upscale, and the other one was just too much money for where it was. So we went and had Olive Garden. I wasn't complaining. I had Olive Garden. The rest of that's hard. I want to say 5 years. It could be more. It could very well be more. You guys see that? It's hard to show you guys the food in the car. I don't really like doing car videos. I should have got lasagna. I'm happy with the chicken Alfredo and the broccoli I had them add to it. And I don't know, this doesn't look good. I can't get even want a steering wheel out of it, guys. Sorry. You know? The broccoli was cooked perfect. It was soft, but not over soft. Not mushy. I'm hungry. Ooh. That's a lot of food. I kind of want to bring up something, but I don't want to give anybody any clout. So I'm going to generalize this. If you don't like the way a video is set up, you can scroll. You don't have to make a comment. And then if my people are commenting back, you will not be negative. I mean, it's that simple. Yeah, I have a few videos that are a little, you know, still trying to get that together. If that triggers you, don't watch it. I mean, I appreciate you. And the little hearts I give everybody is because I appreciate you coming to my channel. It's not about me trying to get people to comment more or less. And it's really not helping me. I don't get paid for these videos. I get circulated more. Does that benefit me? I get circulated more. I get more followers. I get more people to talk to. So that's the way that it benefits me. Because it certainly doesn't benefit me financially. So again, I appreciate every single person who comes and watches my videos. Hence the heart. Okay? If you're triggered by the way a certain video is set up, I am sorry, but it is what it is at this point. So, just don't watch that video. So anyway, but thank you for coming, commenting, liking, and subscribing. I do appreciate you. Anyway, back to the food. I just, just don't post negative comments. And if somebody's defending or doesn't agree with your comment, you're not going to be negative on me, on my page. I'm not going to do it. A little bit of that meat sauce got in with the Alfredo sauce. And I'll be right back. Oh, hello. Time to blow my nose. So, now that I got that off my chest. Something's really greasy though. And for dessert, if I'm still hungry, or maybe later for a snack, I got that cinnamon streusel hostess little cake. I don't always eat a dessert with my meal, but when I'm at work, I tend to, because I need a little bit of sugar to get me from 3 a.m. to 7 a.m. So I'm pretty hyper right now. I'm hoping I can get home. I live an hour away from my job. We'll see. Won't be going that back way, I found. I didn't really find it. I've gone that way before. I just thought it was a lot longer. But there is about a 40-minute section that's back roads. The plows were out good today, though. They were out and about. Plows, bulldozers. What are we getting, a blizzard? Am I getting stuck in Maryland? It's really coming down. This is scary. It wouldn't be scary if I was at home. I wouldn't care. Give me some adult beverages and just relax. Oh, Lord. I'm slowing down my eating a little bit. I'm eating too fast. I'm going to end up getting acid reflux. And I didn't bring my pills. So what should I do for the big mukbang that I'm going to do in 2 weeks? My next paycheck. Now, I don't mean I'm going to get Hungry Fat Chick or Nikocado Avocado size portion. But I'm going to do something special. Something maybe that I've never done. I need suggestions, guys. Help me. And what I'm going to do right now, while I'm taking a break here, I want to introduce you to the character I've been working on since I've been posting a lot. Mine's been going. So I want to introduce you to somebody. Tell me what you think. Don't be negative. It's just something I think is funny. I don't have the costume down yet, but I just want to give you all a hint of what I'm working with. Alright. Hi, my name's Velma. My daughter said that I need to keep myself occupied. So she told me to do these here eating videos. So I'm going to give it a try, but I don't eat out a lot. So we're going to give it a try. Maybe I'll start telling stories on here or something. Anyways, I got some Olive Garden pasta. I got that lasagna. And some chicken Alfredo. So I was supposed to take a bite and then eat it and then tell you what I'm thinking about it. It's good. I'll tell you what though. My neighbor Henry's a nice fella. Henry go to the grocery store for me sometimes, okay? And he won't take money for gas because he says he's going there anyway. So what I do is I feed him in spaghetti. This man will eat a person out of a house and home with spaghetti. I do not know how his wife does it with him. It's eggs in the morning and spaghetti at night. I wonder, does he put his eggs in his spaghetti? That there's a good question, isn't it? Anyways, he'd really like this Olive Garden stuff. Now, it's snowing outside, and everybody under the sun has been calling me all day wanting to know, Velma, are you all right? Velma, do you need anything? Please excuse me, I have to belch. Oh, Lord, please excuse me. That's so unladylike, I tell you what. Oh, I'm supposed to tell you what I'm drinking? What I'm drinking today is a Sprite Zero. It means it doesn't have any sugar in it. Because God knows I eat enough of that sugary stuff. I tell you what, I just love me a good old bowl of ice cream at the end of the day. Now, what kind of ice cream? Any kind, but it cannot be that sugar-free, low-calorie stuff. I don't eat a whole pile of it. I just eat me a little dish about like that big, all right? So anyways, I don't have any ice cream. About 10 people done called me today wanting to know did I need anything from the store, and I didn't tell not a one of them that I needed some ice cream. But it's snowing, so I might go out and put me a bowl outside on my porch and get me some snow and put some milk and a little sugar in it. My grandma, my mother used to make that for me all the time. It was so delicious. And this isn't the first snow of the season, so it might be all right. Well, you guys, I'm going to get off here right now, but I'll tell you what, I'm going to be back real soon to tell you more stories. I got a boatload of stories. My daughter said that would be a good thing for me to get into. So I'm going to give it a little shot and see what y'all think about it, all right? Well, I'm going to get off of here because I'm going to put my bow outside and get me some of that snow to make my ice cream tonight, unless another person called me in the next half an hour maybe. I don't know. All right, well, I hope you all have a real good night, and I'll talk to you soon. So, that's it. I think I'm funny. I think it's hilarious. You all tell me what you think. Because I can't go by Cowboy because he don't have a sense of humor. I mean, he does. This is different than mine. So that's a taste of Velma. Now, I got Velma from a mixture of a couple of the ladies in my family. And kind of the way my brother kind of has that twang to his voice. A little bit like that. It's just a mixture of people in my family. I'm not making fun of anybody. I'm country as hell. But I came up with her with the last snowstorm. So tell me what y'all think. And I've been dying to share that with you too. Alright, but I'll tell you what. I'm full. Oh, that's juicy. Dang it. I thought that was just, I gotta wash my jacket this week. Alright, you guys, so, homework, hold on. I have my nose, I'm sorry, I'll be right back. I'm back, so y'all tell me, let's not put that there. Wet. So give me some ideas and let me know what y'all think of Velma. And should I do more skits with Velma? Alright, I think I might take my little nap and get back to work. Upload this video and I will talk to you all oh, somebody asked me, I forget to write this stuff down, but somebody asked me what my favorite dessert is. I've thought about this for a long time. I don't eat a lot of desserts, but I gravitate to pie. Like an apple pie, cherry pie. Yeah, I think cherry pie is my favorite. With some ice cream on top sometimes. Not all the time. I make a good apple pie though. I've never made a cherry pie. I've always made from apples, not the canned stuff. Apples, cook them up, and pumpkin pie. Sweet potato pie. That's the only pies I've made. Eat a lot of pie. Not really, but alright, y'all. Let me have my nap so I can get the rest of this work done, and hopefully the snow moves out and they can get these roads cleared before 7. You know I should have stayed home. Cowboy said, "Oh, it's gonna miss us." Don't think so. There's about an inch and a half out there now. We'll see what happens. Alright, y'all. Talk to you soon. Oh, like, comment, subscribe, bell notification, tell your friends, your neighbors, your strangers. Bye.